we have to remember that she was the first non-government servant officer to be made SEBI chief. Before Madhvi Buch, SEBI always had a senior most IAS as the chairperson. She was the first private person to be made. It was a lateral entry. She was aligned to Adani. She was first made a member, and after a few years she was made chairperson. There is a clear-cut link between Adani, lateral entry, senior position, and now corruption. And this is what we are opposing. We have opposed lateral entry yesterday. There were 65 more positions advertised by Government of India for lateral entry. And what we suspected, similar people who could be some corporate person, who could be RSS people, who could be linked to somebody, they would have come on senior positions and they would have manipulated the way SEBI now is being alleged by Ms. Madhvi Buch.